Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today we're taking a closer look at the NOCO Genius 10 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product. Introducing the all-new Genius 10, one of our most powerful, highest performing, energy-efficient, and compact chargers yet. The Genius 10 is a 6-volt and 12-volt battery charger, battery maintainer, and battery desulfator rated at 10 ampere for lead-acid automotive, marine, and deep cycle batteries, including flooded, gel, AGM, and maintenance-free, plus lithium-ion batteries. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the NOCO Genius 10, battery clamps, mounting bracket and strap, self-tapping screw, user manual, product description, mode button, over voltage error, LED, bad battery error, LED, reverse polarity error, LED, standby, LED, charge, LED, mode LED, press and hold, mode LED, supply mode LED, repair mode LED. How to use. If a battery is too low to be detected, the Genius 10 has a built-in force mode that can manually activate charging and start the recovery process. If the charger is plugged into AC power and connected to the battery but does not come out of standby when the mode button is pressed, force charge might be required. It likely means the battery is too low to be detected. To access force mode, ensure the charger is connected to AC power and has a secure connection to the battery. Then press and hold the mode button for approximately 7 seconds. Once active, all available modes will flash. Toggle through the modes by pressing the mode button until the correct one is selected. The charged LEDs will begin to chase, indicating the force mode is charging. After 5 minutes, Genius will return to the selected charge mode. The charge LEDs will indicate the current charge level of the connected battery, and the green LED will illuminate when the battery is fully charged. If the charger returns to standby after the force charge cycle, it likely means the battery should be tested by a professional. How to recharge. There are 4 LEDs to indicate 25, 50, 75, and 100%. When the charge level is below 25%, the first LED will slowly pulse red as the battery charges. The lights will go from 25 to 75%, at which point the third LED will turn solid when the fourth and final LED begins pulsing green. The battery is charged and optimization will begin. It is normal for the green LED to pulse for an extended period as the charger fully optimizes the battery. When complete, the green LED will turn solid with all other LEDs off, indicating the battery is fully optimized and ready to go. The green LED will return to pulsing whenever the charger earforms advanced maintenance shorts. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.